Astonishing Productions presents The Charismatic Hex, this time on me. So I've been told to create more content and to introduce myself to the public and engage with the audience, so on and so forth. And I obliged, so here we are. My name is Ashton. I am located in Cleveland, Ohio, and I am a blowout specialist. I specialize in textured hair, so basically the silk press prints. And I learned a lot, just putting this together and watching myself. I had no idea, I mean, none, that I was this expressive. So we're gonna play a little game. I want you to, every time that you see my eyebrows twitch, tweak, raise, whatever, that, you take a shot, whether it be water or spirit. Doesn't matter. So I showed this video to a client and she's like, "You are performing. I mean, seriously performing." And I have to agree. I had no idea that I was doing the most. I have a lot of hair. I'm giving you a good Samson moment here. Throughout my life, I've been approached to be in the entertainment industry, and I have no problem with doing that. I like to entertain. I just don't want the fame. And I know if I did it, the fame would come, like big fame would come. And I'm very private. I like my privacy. I don't want to have to share my life with the public. So, yeah, there's that. And this is around the time I took this video, maybe like 2 years ago. I put this, but I never put it together. And I was a brand ambassador for Croc Tools, and I had to take a break from social media. Actually, I had to. It wasn't because I wanted to, even though I did want to. So that's basically something separate. But I had to take a back seat, and I think they got rid of my status. But oh well, tools are still good. Now that that's all out the way, let's get into some of this fun here. So I'm watching this video and I can't get enough of myself. I'm sitting here like laughing the whole time. I'm like, why are you making these faces? Like there's no one in the room. It's me, the walls, my hot tools, and the camera. And like my client said, she's like, "You're performing," and I am like putting on a show, like it's a Vegas show, just doing my own hair for no reason. I don't know why. I'm so expressive. Like even like, what are you doing? Like, what were you checking? What were you checking? It's still there. So the whole time I'm just like staring myself down for no reason, just giving all this extra attitude, I guess. And then like even right here, like here you go. Want some more flat iron? Take some of that flat iron. Just do it. It makes no hair toss for no reason. Like why are you tossing your hair? Like oh, and then you comb your chin. Like why are you? Who am I? Who are you, sir? I didn't know that I was this extra. Now I get why people perceive me the way they do. I didn't get it. I don't watch myself. I don't pay myself any attention. It's too much. And I just silk it. Here we go. Silk it down. Watch. With it. Smize. What are you doing? Oh, miss a piece. Silk it out. Smize. How people perceive you, it really, it means something. I mean, you don't have to receive how someone else, receives you. You can move on, but I understand a couple things more than I did before. I mean, I knew I had a light about myself. I didn't realize it was overpowering to other people. I know people always try to knock me down a notch or, say mean things. But hey, you can only control what you do. And I've learned a few things about myself. I have been around the sun for decades now, and I'm starting to understand things differently, about myself, about others. And it's cool. It's okay. Look, eyebrow. But yeah, so and a lot of times I'm sitting here, I'm wondering like what it is that I'm thinking, because I know when I'm thinking a lot of times people like they look at me and they might laugh, and they say, you gotta love it. Self-awareness is a lot. It means a lot. And I'm always willing to check myself. Why did I do that? Why did I say that? What does that mean? What made me feel that way? I don't have any problem saying I'm sorry. I don't have a problem saying I was wrong. None of that. None of that bothers me. I'm always there to improve myself. Yep. Not a problem. So, Yeah, so that's a crock tool too. I miss that iron. That was one of my favorite irons, and I burnt it out. Yeah, so that's that, and wait till you get to the end. That face card declined. But I'm quite sure I'll make a recovery because this video is hilarious. Like, wait till you get to the end. Like, there's a lot going on in the end. Like, once the result is resulting, eyebrow. Like, what? Wow. I've been told that a lot of my footage or my content is kind of like a small tutorial, even though there's not an actual tutorial to it, like a visual tutorial. And this one is not going to be that. However, I will take the time and say this, that I am bringing all the hair forward. And I really want to say this is for the hair students. If you're doing it yourself, kudos, cool. But I'm a big, promoter of, there's a guy for that, basically. There's a professional that's going to do that. You don't change your own oil in your car. But this is one of the jobs that people feel that they can do. They feel that, oh, I can do my own hair because you've done it all your life. You get up in the morning, you comb it, you do something to it. There's tools and products on the market for you to be able to use at your disposal. So you think that, hey, I can do this myself. And a lot of you guys can't. You really can't. Then you come to me to fix it. I'm over it. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch other people's work, and I really don't want to touch yours. But I have to at times. And certain people, I give them a little pass, whatnot. It doesn't really matter, but I prefer not to. And with great reason, because most of you guys aren't doing what you're supposed to do, and then I have to fix it. I don't want to fix things. I want to come in, do it right from the beginning, especially color. Color correction is so. I stopped doing color because of color corrections. I got tired of fixing up people's problems, and I didn't really want to wash the dishes anymore, basically. So I just leaned more into the pressing and the cuts. I love to chop into some hair. I love a good cut. Okay. And that's the result. So you get a little lift in the front when you bring everything forward. Like, notice that I blew it forward when I dried the hair. And yeah, okay. I thought the reveal was a bit much, but the Fabio flip back swing around thing, I really am like performing. Like, I get it. I see what she's saying. I'm just doing a lot for no reason, but eyebrows, like, smirk. And so I'm gonna go in, give it a little bevel to give the hair some shape. And once I give this hair some shape and I go in and I just basically play with it again, it's just gonna be a whole nother show. Like, even like the constant eye contact, like like, what are we doing here? Like, I'm intense. I see it now. I didn't. I see. You don't see yourself on the inside, like looking out. You don't notice these things. You know what I mean? And this is why I tell people that they have to do their mirror work. You have to go look at yourself, talk to yourself, and you're gonna learn a lot from yourself. You will, because this right here, this experience, this me editing myself was a lot, a lot. It really was. And now I give you the Michelle Williams rap right there, circa 1999. And now it's about to go down. Okay, here we go. In case you didn't get it, I had to do it again. Flip it out, flip it out, flip it out. Look at it, love it. Smiles and brow goes up. What my brows do? I mean, honestly, leave it in the comments. If you see me on a regular basis, are my brows always flapping away? I feel like if I move them anymore, I'm gonna get some lift off. I'm taking off. Like, I need to get Botox just to chill them out, if anything. And I wasn't sure why I was like doing this. I don't like showing you how you can wear it, even though, ugh, it, yeah, even though I'm not gonna wear it any other way than probably in a hat. I don't know what I did this for. I don't remember. I don't even know what made me start recording. I'm kind of glad that I did. This, yeah. Look at him. Look at him. He thinks he's. Oh my goodness, man! This is ridiculous. But it is what it is, Santa Claus. Oh, I like that moment right there. I will not lie to you. I did like how that looked. And I hate when people do that jiggling hair. I don't. You flattering it. It's supposed to be jiggly and loose. I know somebody gonna say that's why you ain't got no edges. So it's only because my hair is fine. It is what it is. You're gonna have some kind of takeaway. You can't have it all. Okay. At this point, it's just all the dramatics, like the soft pauses and all the extra, the eye contact, and then even I'm over it right there. Like Mariah Knowles. I'm a train wreck in the morning. I can't wait to see what the haters say. But oh well, it's over with. It's done. It's posted. It's out there. People gonna say what they want to say regardless. If it was, wasn't, is, ain't. But who cares? Those that know me know I'm all love.